Hi everyone, I am so excited to share this haul with you today. I am actually doing a collab with Temu and they are offering my followers about up to $100 in coupons for free when you download their app. It's awesome because they have affordable prices and they're super high quality, and they give free shipping and free returns up to 90 days. So I really liked that a lot because when we get things, sometimes we don't know if we'll need them. But anyways, I'm going to leave the code and stuff in the description so you can check it out. All right, so let's go ahead and start with these fun paper packs. I got so many of them and I'm gonna go through them so you guys can see. There's so much vintage. You guys know how much I've been into these awesome little vintage journals and junk journals and flip books. And these are so cool. I don't think this was very much for this paper pack. I think it was like $1.99, but I will list the pricing and description in the box for everything that I have here. So you can see I got all of these cool packs to add like layers just to make it look like a vintage style, and I got gorgeous prints too. Like these florals are amazing. Really love them. I'm just flipping through. So sometimes, when you're online, you can't really see things as good as if someone is showing you in a video. So, but the paper is a awesome texture. It's not like the scrapbook paper we have. It feels a little bit more durable, like a little bit more vintage. It's hard to explain. And of course, add textures. And these are great little things to put some tabs, but this is a great way to make a pocket really simple because it's the perfect size. I feel like it's almost like a 4x6-ish or maybe a little larger. And all I need to do is take my hole punch and glue it. And you have this gorgeous pocket that you don't have to cut, you don't have to score, nothing. You can just glue that on into your journals. So really, really like these vintage papers. This is another one of my favorites. I'm gonna just take this off real quick so you guys can see everything well. Now look at how pretty these are. This is like something you would stamp or, just kind of do yourself. But there's even little cutouts in between here and there that you can add on as well. I just love this paper pad. I love how this one I got has quite a lot of vintage floral prints. It looks almost like vintage wallpaper. That's what this paper pad reminds me of and why I got it. So it literally looks like something you could have on your bathroom Victorian home wall. And everyone loves butterflies, right? So here are these gorgeous butterflies and birds and flowers and things like that. And this one is very shabby chic. I'm really digging this one. It just looks so French cafe, and you guys know how much I adore florals, and I know you all do too. So this is just a perfect mix of florals. I'm going to probably use all of that right up. Now this paper pad is really cool because it's literally a bunch of like tickets and things scanned and postcards. And how cool is this? It really looks like you kind of scanned everything yourself. And it's all throughout this little vintage type postcards and writing and letters and tickets. It's just really neat. I really appreciate this one. And receipts. Like, if you love Tim Holtz, you're going to love this paper pad for sure. And again, I'm going to put the title of everything that I got as well as the pricing to it in the description. Now this one I ordered and has a lot of funky patterns. Like I said, it's hard to see online sometimes, so this may or may not be your thing, but it has a lot of great little cutout pieces, like so you can fussy cut, like you see the like the lace doily, that would be cool on something. The colors are dark, so if you're into dark colors, that's a great pad. Now this is going to be fun. This is a load of cheap washi tape. I couldn't believe how inexpensive this tape was for these sets. So this is one that I picked that's a bit like lavender hues, and I just drawn to purple and pink, obviously. So I got this, and the tape quality is great. I've tested them and they seem to hold really well, just like, you know, regular washi tape. But you have all these pretty little prints, and I'm just going to open up a few of them for you guys so you guys can see for yourself. Basically, you know, it's easier to see when someone opens these things for you. I won't open all of them, but just to show you some of the ones that stick out really nicely to me. And you can fussy cut these. These would be so gorgeous. You guys know I've been like obsessed with washi tape lately and been playing with it. So here's just more to add to my obsession. This was a great set. I think this was like about $6.99. Super cheap set for as much as you get in here. And I love these thick rolls because wait until I open it and you can see like it has lettering, it has so many, which is going to be perfect for July coming up, and all those little pieces that you can add. And this was another set, and I think a lot of these costed almost the same. I want to say like $6.99-ish or $6.50 or something pretty inexpensive for the sets that you get. Now, this has some foil in it in this set, and another great one that you could add the tape by itself or fussy cut. And you can see what drew me to this tape was these adorable little mushrooms and the stamping. Just so much cuteness in this tape. You see all of it. I'm not one to fussy cut, but I don't mind doing it for these tapes. Or you can just leave a hole in your projects. Knowing me, I'll probably do that. Now this one here has more of that kind of tape, like music notes and just very like enchanted, whimsical things. I like this because this had music notes and floral, so that caught my eye. I wanted something with music notes on it. And this one has the coolest fussy cuts because you open it and it has the lettering, right? And then the floral, and then you have these numbers on it too. So you see that number? It's like a ticket, like number or something that you would stamp. Okay, next I have these really cool little vellum sticky note pads. So it's cool because it's not quite vellum. It has almost this plasticky but clear translucent feel to it, or it look and feel. Almost like, I guess kind of like glassine, but more sleek. But it's nice because it's like a stick. I got a couple different sizes in this, but I got these more smaller ones, but I want to show you, just stick it on and it'll give you that translucent look. So you can stick that easily in your albums without having to glue it. Or if you want, you could even do like a little tab, maybe like add something on it and it would be like a clear tab. So I really liked these awesome little pads. I wish I actually got a couple sizes bigger. Okay, so this was sitting on my desk the other day, and this is just a cute little like pencil holder. I had to get pink. It's almost like an oven, and I got these pink pens to match, these little gel pens, which write awesome. But paper clips, whatever, it's just this extra little storage, and I just think it's adorable. It's gonna just sit right on my desk probably when I'm filming. And this is another great deal that I found. So these are like our, you know, tools, like our scoring tool, except they're wider, and this is just an awesome way to get those like tape down or glue down and just, you know, scrape it. And this came in a pack of 5, I believe, for $3.50. So this was awesome. You guys know how much I need this, especially when I'm playing with red line tape. This is going to be super helpful for me. Okay, next I've got these awesome rolls of double-sided tape, which was super inexpensive as well. And you know I need every size when I'm doing albums, so I was so happy to restock in a lot of sizes for this. Okay, and I also got these awesome little adorable wax melts. They're little paws. You guys know I have a bandit, so I had to get the paw ones. But I've got this beautiful pink and mint color. And I have also a mix of different colors here. And a mix of purple hues as well. And of course I had to get a wax seal stamper, and I got this beautiful rose, and it's just so pretty. I can't wait to use it. I haven't really played with wax too much, but now I have a really good excuse to do it. Also, for my glue and just small projects, I got these adorable pins to, just make that secure, and I love the colors. I believe it was like 97 cents for those, or 99 cents, which is a good deal. I also got these individual washi tapes because they have this vintage burnt look to it. You could see the edges are kind of like burnt, and these are really cool. I haven't opened these to play with these yet, but I'm excited to try them. They're actually a little thicker texture than regular washi tape. It has I feel like it's just made a little different, like a more thicker paper. And I got another like lilac color in the wax that I found in there. And these beautiful dried flowers, I thought these would go great on a project. I got these deco stickers too, and these are really beautiful. I'm just going to take it out of the package because I want you guys to see what it looks like. I can't wait to play with those dried flowers too. I could see those in, I don't know, something. I guess those specimen things would be great. But look at how cute these are. These are all like individual florals. And these are just going to look so beautiful on any page. I mean, all these things that I got, they all kind of incorporate together and look just so pretty. You could even put those on those little sheet pads that I showed you. Just adding one of those on there just like adds just color to some of those pages. So these cute pens, and these pens all write excellent. These I thought my son's always in my room, so I know he'll come and grab something less pink. And it's these adorable, and I got these sticky pads, by the way, because you guys know I need post-it notes like crazy. I use them for all my tutorials, but I'm just going to write with this. Oh, I got to get the little seal off, but just to show you that it writes excellent. Kind of like, like jelly smooth. And I couldn't let these go. I love Sanrio, and I got these, and these were about $3.50, I think, for 6 of them, but great deal because if you go on other places, it'll be like $9. So, and these write about the same as the frog ones. I just love stationery, pens, anything. So, and I always use them because I'm constantly writing my ideas down and things like that. But I'm just going to pop it in because, I feel like these match my new little toaster holder. And I think that it's what it's supposed to be, like an oven. It looks like an oven to me. And of course I got some more color gel pens, and these write beautiful too. And I love that they're clear because you can see when your ink is run out. There's nothing worse than shaking a gel pen and not being able to, see how much is left inside of it. So I'm just going to test one of these for you real quick, so you guys can see how smooth that they write. And just the color. So there is that. And I've got some more gel pens too. There's quite a few variety to pick from, and I didn't know which ones I wanted because I want to be able to write with them when I'm doing tutorials with you guys, and just, have some color in our life on camera. And I thought these were just perfect to do all that. And I don't have enough room in my cup holder. And next is just a lot of post-it notes because, as I said, I use a lot of these in my tutorials. And look what I got. I got these awesome little colored tweezers, and this is going to be perfect for when I'm using the washi tape or, the pressed flowers. I see everyone so fancy on Instagram using this type of stuff, and I'm like, I need a pair of those. And I'm so excited to use these because I've been wanting something like this, so it's easier to peel, like double-sided tape and things. I got another cute little notepad to keep you guys entertained. How cute is this? It comes with this tiny little clipboard. And And here is another one of the vellum, but the smaller size. Now, I cannot wait for you guys to see this. These are these little paper strips, and they're different like florals, and these can be belly bands. These can be added just into all of your projects. So many different ideas for this, and it comes in this cute little pad. You don't have to cut, you literally just pull it out and you have it. And I love this. I definitely want to order more of these for future projects. And last but not least, I had to order these dies. They are like, they have these little jagged edges that are great for junk journaling, and kind of reminds me of like something like Tim Holtz has or something. But this was a great deal for these dies, and I cannot wait to use these on my project. All right, everyone, thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to leave the Temu download app in the description, as well as the codes. And I hope you guys enjoyed this haul with me. I had so much fun, and I cannot wait to share all this and create with you guys. All right, guys, thanks so much.